and the rough. Bit of a hesitant start for number 6, Annecdote. A good beginning for Bairama and Love Train, and the two of them are heads apart in the early going, with Medea in third and Baffle Me on the far outside in fourth. Laura Michelle forced to steady there just a bit in fifth. And Tokyo Time is next in sixth. It's a break of 2. Devilish Love at the rail. Julie's Love on the outside. And Annecdote is the trailer in ninth, the opening quarter mile. 23 and 3/5 seconds as they continue up the backstretch. Bairama down at the rail leads by a half length. Love Train is second. Now Bairama gets clear by a full length. Love Train in second. Then it's the trio of Laura Michelle, Medea, and Baffle Me. They're all together. Tokyo Time is sixth, but just 3.5 lengths from the lead. Farther back, Devilish Love, Julie's Love, and Annecdote still the trailer. The half mile in 47 and 2/5 seconds. Bairama's in front as they race midway around the far turn. Love Train in between horses is Medea. On the outside is Baffle Me. Bairama holding on to that narrow lead. Bairama in front as they come for the top of the stretch. Love Train on the outside. There's Baffle Me. Far outside, Julie's Love is coming on. And down at the rail, it's Devilish Love. It is Bairama still in front. And here comes Annecdote, who was last for much of the way. Annecdote has swept to the lead. And it will be the British-bred Annecdote to come from last to win the Grade 3 Noble Damsel. Bairama held second. Julie's Love was third.